actually, those three there, but they had license plates on. The ones I went to had tons of weed. It looked like a Hell's Angels weed, and it didn't have license plates. So what's going to be done about this? And
Well, I don't support that.
I hope not, but the thing is, like, it's going on.
I'd like to speak, if you will allow me to, and then I'm going to go back to speaking with the workers here. We want to be able to ensure the safety of workers. And right,
this license plate was lost.
it doesn't feel like you actually want to hear me speak. I think you want to hear yourself, and that's really unacceptable. The priority here is safety, the safety of workers. And what has happened is these corporations have really done everything but prioritize the worker safety, which has created this infrastructure of hazardous conditions, including not having license plates. And so we want to make sure that every worker is adhering to the rules and regulations of the road so that they are safe, because we all order food. We rely on the system, this new system of getting food delivered. But thank you so much for visiting us.
Actually, can you answer this? Why can't they ride regular bikes? They can ride regular bikes, Councilwoman. They can ride regular bicycles.